you can make washes and cleanses on the go using Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome to your spiritual home. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're Yeyeo.com. And our channel is about spiritual lifestyle, everyday rituals, ancestors, and African spirituality. And if you're interested in any of these things, stick around. But first, I want to shout out all my people from Boston. Woo! Welcome. So today's video is about making spiritual cleanses on the go. This video not only has the YouTube version, but also a class on Yeyeo.com. So you get to see the more advanced version of what we're doing today. So let's get started in learning how you can make washes and cleanses on the go using tea bags. Let's get started. So I want to share with you that when you're on the go, there's so many ways to do spiritual work when you're on the go. And I think that a lot of times people think it needs to be a big production. You know, they need to have a million ingredients. They've got to prepare. Well, you can do it on a budget and on the go. And I believe in making spirituality a part of your life, making it just easy and gentle where it just feels like your normal routine. So today we're going to be using 3 particular tea bags. One of them is ginger, and ginger is great for speeding things up and making things happen very quickly. It's also great for passion, for protection, for money, for luck. I could be here all day, and if you haven't seen any of my, my ginger video, definitely watch that. So here's some tea bags for ginger, right? Then we have lemon balm, and lemon balm is fantastic for peace, for clarity, for stability, just like ginger with the stability part. But lemon balm has a very sweet, attracting, bringing in scent. In addition to spirit guides and ancestors really like it, and so it's pulling in your protections to help you at the same time when you're going to be doing this work. Again, if you're traveling, like I travel and I just go to the supermarket and find things that I can do if I want something for luck, if I want something for protection, want something for clarity, cleansing, any of that. These are wonderful ways to learn how to incorporate that. See, the bell tolls, exactly what I'm talking about. So then the next thing that we have here is, this one is very kind of specific. It says tropical fruits. And this one in particular has mango, pineapple, and a couple other and papaya in here, which is fantastic, because what are fruits? Fruits are about success, bounty, unending supply, reproduction, all of these different things, sweetness, fullness. I mean, the list goes on and on of how wonderful fruits can be incorporated in our spiritual work to bring forth a lot of luck. So I want to continue now. This has been tea bags that has been steeped. So I steep these tea bags in here. Again, you can add more for stronger potency, but for the video, I just put a few in. This has been steeping, and this would be you. This is our wash on the go kit, by the way. So we take off the steeping top, we put on the straining top. All you would do is put the straining top on and pour it into your container and add whatever it is that you would like to add, if anything. This wash is very much about, with ginger, lemon balm, and fruits, it's all about open roads, luck, money, success, new opportunities. If you're going for a new job, if you're going for, this could also be used like a pick-me wash, depending on what you add to it or your prayer with it. You can also add a candle beside it. You're more than welcome to do that for something that helps to bring in this idea. So like here's an open road candle as an example. If you're burning this candle in your home, you want to make a wash on the go very quickly. You can make your wash, your candle, you're good to go. Very quick and very, very cost effective, right? If you are under budget constraints. Okay, so now this is you. You're going to pour it out, and look at that. Look how strong that is. That's as strong as if you had made it in a bathtub, right? I mean, made it on the stove, boiling it. And now you've got your tea bags. If you want to add more tea bags and do more of this in the future, you're welcome to do it. Again, this is our Wash on the Go kit that you can find at yeyeo.com. I'm sure that if you watch this video to the end, you're like, yeah, Elemi, that was a good one. So I want you to try it. Let me know and comment below if you've used any of these ideas in your spiritual workings. And remember, give me a thumbs up so I know that you actually got something out of this video. Subscribe. And to stay in the know, hit the bell for notifications. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.